Let me tell you what happened to me 2 years ago. I was trying to do an urban action in an informal neighborhood of Bogota. I was working with many children, painting an important mural in the unique park that they have to play. I met a woman named Maria Camila who lived with her son Alejandro. She told me that she had to spend a lot of time to arrive at work in the center of the city, so she had to wake up early every day. I asked she for the public services, and she answered me, "We don't have public services. There aren't any medical or policy service near there." So I felt anguish, and I started to search about the topic. My name is Giancarlo Rodriguez, and I'm going to talk about one problem of informal neighborhoods. Informal settlements are very controversial because the geographical, safety, and healthy condition. With the growth of the city, mm, job opportunities have decreased, and consequently, an important percentage of people don't have guarantees of progress. So they have to decide to go to the periphery and consolidate what we know as informal neighborhoods. This is a source realized by Angela Patricia Camargo that show the places where appear these informal settlements in the city and the high influence in the periphery. The problem is that these places don't have access to public services. It means that they don't have access to sewage, drinking water, electricity network, public transport, and this happened because these places are not considered as legal urban planning. But people need public service, so they have to take drastic measures to solve the problem. For example, the illegal connection to the electricity or the use of septic tanks. In both cases, these measures can cause an important environmental and human damage. I propose two solutions for this problem. The first is the construction of communal services. This is a mechanism used in South Africa to solve the problem, and also we have a reference here in the city with the Las Cruces neighborhood with the communal laundries. The second option is to create a regularization plan to legalize the lands. For example, pieces of lands in Ciudad Bolivar were legalized, and then the government built the public networks. This had to be an inclusive exercise where all the actors can participate and avoid the discrimination. Over time, houses that were in informality begin to expand. Materials are replaced by more durable ones, eliminating the informal status. However, it is important to understand that all this is not possible without a generation of community. Collective action depends mainly on a feeling of belonging of community. Finally, I invite you to create community and help in the construction on an inclusive city for all.